When corn is at its peak, this shrimp and corn chowder is the perfect way to make the most of it. Chop up some onion, and then dice a potato into nice bite-sized pieces that you'd like to have in the chowder. Let's talk shelling the corn. This is not the way to do it. Instead, let's put the corn into a glass bowl to keep it from going all over the place. So just slide that chef's knife right down the side. Don't throw away those corn cobs. We're gonna make a corn cob stock. So throw them into a pan and cover them with water. In a Dutch oven, cook the bacon and then use that fat to saute your shrimp. For the base, saute the vegetables in some butter. Now add that corn cob stock. When you're ready to serve, add that fresh corn to the pot along with some milk. I like to add some chopped tomatoes. Add the shrimp back to the pot and heat all the ingredients until the soup is heated through. Garnish with fresh parsley and your crispy bacon. Enjoy!